Hello, hi everybody. My name is Josy. I'm a pharmacist. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one simple meal for lunch or dinner. It's a budget friendly and it doesn't cost much to make this meal. This meal is very easy to cook, even if you haven't cooked before or you don't know how to cook. Also, if you are looking for an healthy, simple, easy, affordable meal, I think you're going to love this meal. In my description below, I'm going to leave all the ingredients, step by step, how to prepare this meal. Today's meal, we are making rice with chicken and spinach sauce. I like this sauce because the spices I use make it very refreshing. And I love the taste as well. Before I get started, I would like to spice my chopped chicken with some rosemary and salt. And I'll put my rice on the fire as well. Let's get started by chopping some garlic, onion, and add it to the pan with some smoked coconut oil. Let it saute until it is light brown. Then I'll add a little pepper to it. Next, I'm going to add my chopped chicken and all the spices. I'm using ginger, cinnamon, cumin, a little bit of salt, nutmeg. You can also use any spices that you want, that you prefer, and stir it and cover it until the chicken is fully cooked. So while we are waiting for the chicken, I would like to check on my rice if it's also cooking. Next, we will add some spinach. It can be frozen or fresh. I have the frozen one, so I use that one. And leave it and stir it for once a while and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can serve this sauce with any rice. I have the jasmine rice, so that's what I used. The sauce can also go along with plantain, potatoes, even vegetables like cucumber, butternut squash. If you try this meal, please take a picture and post it in the comment below. You can also share with me on my Facebook. And you can also tag me on my Instagram. Please go and try this meal and enjoy with your family now that we are staying home more often. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. God bless you.